Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on this laptop. So to do this, simply turn on your laptop by pressing the power button once, and once you press the power button, immediately start clicking the F12 button. Do it repeatedly until you see the boot menu on your screen. So press the power button once to power your PC on, and then immediately start clicking the F12 button. At some point you will see the boot menu, and here you can navigate basically by using your touchpad, or instead you can use arrow keys to select and enter to confirm. And as you can see, right now I only have the Windows Boot Manager option, and if I click OK, I will boot up into Windows. But if you had some other options, you could select them just as well. And basically that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.